This podcast was made with an AI voice generator. Today, I'm taking you on board my imaginary boat. Destination: the first pedestrian street in France. It was in 1972 that the famous Big Clock Street became the first pedestrian street in France. It's a real revolution at the time when the car was still the queen of the city. The movement of pedestrianization of city centers initiated in the Netherlands arrived in France in 1970, and it was the city of Rouen that first experimented with this new vision of the city center. Before making it entirely pedestrian, an experiment on 3 afternoons per week had been undertaken. But, in 1969, Bernard Canu, deputy mayor, made the proposal to return the street to pedestrians permanently. However, the local storekeepers did not welcome this news enthusiastically, and a strong opposition was organized. The reasons given were a potential drop footfall, and the electoral interests of such a decision. Despite the dispute, the pedestrian street was inaugurated in 1972 by Jean Lecanuet, mayor of the city at the time. Over time, studies have shown that footfall has increased by 50% in all businesses on the street. Among these businesses, the oldest supermarket in France, named Monoprix, was opened in 1932 under the name of Noma, N-O-M-A. The letters NO refer to the first 2 letters of the French word nouveau, which means new, and the letters MA refer to the first 2 letters of the French word magasin, which means store. The Rouen test having been a real success, many French cities followed in Rouen's footsteps and decided to pedestrianize, in turn, their shopping streets.